welcome to Look What I Found. I am Tanvi Deshmukh and welcome to my channel. This is where I bring forward the most unique and hatke brands from the internet or outside for you guys. On my Instagram, I cover all fashion brands from the internet, but on my YouTube channel, this is where I'm going to be covering everything lifestyle. From fashion to stationery to home decor to maybe sometimes kitchenware. But yeah, that is what this channel on YouTube is going to be all about. For today's episode, I have been shopping a few curtains. Now, I have bought all of these curtains from a local shop in Thane called April. I was specifically looking for indigo material for my curtains. I did not want to go for the very typical curtains that you get in a curtain shop. I wanted a very soft curtain material for my house. So yes, let's see what we've got here. So this is the indigo material that I found, and I think it's very pretty. It's a chickenary indigo material. You can take a closer look at this. If you can see, it has chicken work on it, and I absolutely love the color and the pattern. This is cotton, and this will obviously shrink after it has been washed. This is the second material, and this is a cream color khadi. This is how I plan to also place my curtains in the house. This and this material wash करने के बाद shrink होने वाले हैं. So when you guys go to buy, you guys can either give it for stitching before washing or after washing. These are for my haul, and then there is also this material that I got for one of my rooms. Now this one has, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but इसमें वो छोटी छोटी टिकलियाँ हैं ऐसे shining वाली, and it's quite light honestly, but I think it is just good for my bedroom. Hello people, so the curtains that I had shown you all, this is how I have placed them. I will also open it up and show you how they look. Alright, as you can see, the windows are very wide, which is why we decided to go with 3 colors. I will show you a closer look. It's a very flowy material. Okay, I have not washed them before putting it up because I thought I'll just wash them anyway after a couple of months or so. So yes, that is how we decided to place it. That's how it looks, and this is how it looks during the night. We prefer keeping it tied during the night because we can get some good fresh air. This is how the room curtain looks. It almost comes to the floor. Yes. Again, huge windows, and we love the floor. From whatever material was left, we just decided to make these ties to tie the curtain when we do not want it to be this open